New M2 Pro GPS drone. Capture stunning aerial views with intelligent features. The new M2 Pro GPS drone is a feature-rich quadcopter designed to provide an exciting and user-friendly flying experience. Equipped with GPS positioning, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a high-definition camera, available in 4K, 6K, or 8K options, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Key features: intelligent obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, helping to prevent collisions and ensuring a safer flight experience. GPS positioning. GPS mode provides accurate positioning and enables intelligent flight features like return to home and waypoint flight. High-definition camera. Capture crisp and clear aerial images and videos with the available 4K, 6K, or 8K HD camera options. The 5G Wi-Fi connection allows for real-time image transmission to your smartphone. Foldable and portable. The foldable arm design makes the drone compact and easy to carry, perfect for taking on your adventures. Intelligent flight modes. Waypoint flight. Plan and execute complex flight paths by simply drawing a route on your smartphone screen. Orbit mode. The drone will automatically circle a designated point, capturing smooth and cinematic shots. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follow and track your movements, keeping you in the frame. Altitude hold mode maintains a consistent altitude for stable and smooth footage. Headless mode simplifies flight control by eliminating the need to orient the drone. One key return. Easily return the drone to its takeoff point with a single button press. One key takeoff and landing. Automated takeoff and landing make flying the drone easy, even for beginners. FPV, first-person view. Experience the thrill of flying with real-time video transmission to your smartphone via the 5G Wi-Fi connection. Long flight time. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge, giving you ample time to capture the perfect shots. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology ensures stable and reliable control, even in areas with potential interference. Durable construction. Made from high-strength engineering plastics, the drone is lightweight yet durable. Specifications: channel, 4 channels. Gyroscope, 6-axis. Battery, 3.7V 1600 mAh LiPo, included. Flight time, ~20 minutes. Charging time, 100 to 120 minutes. Remote control distance, 1000 m. Camera options, 4K HD, 6K HD, 8K HD. Video resolution, 1920 by 1080. Folded size, 13 by 8 by 8 centimeters. Unfolded size, 28 by 25 by 8 centimeters. Weight, ~163 grams, with battery. Overall, the new M2 Pro GPS drone is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a feature-packed drone with intelligent flight capabilities and a high-definition camera. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this drone offers a fun and rewarding flying experience. Capture stunning aerial views and create memorable videos with the new M2 Pro GPS drone.